What are the three items that typically come up in an IRS audit on the civil side that could push the case into a criminal investigation? Here are the three. The first is when the IRS identifies a lot of cash transactions, a lot of cash deposits in your bank account, and maybe these aren't typical for the type of business you have if you're self-employed, or if you're a wage earner and you can't provide some explanation. There's a lot of deposits, for instance, maybe through an ATM or at different banks at different times. Bank structuring is another one of those, is where if you report $10,000 or more in a single transaction, the bank's required to file a report, a suspicious activity report with the Treasury. Now, if they find a lot of these, this could obviously flag your return for an audit. But if you can't provide an explanation as to why there's a lot of cash running through your bank accounts or why you're dealing with cash, this could lead obviously to a referral to the Criminal Investigation Division. This doesn't mean it's the only factor. There's other things they look at, but this is one of the things we do typically see. The second one is if you have cryptocurrency or a digital currency account, and especially a decentralized wallet, and you can't provide an explanation or any type of accounting as to how much income was earned. And for instance, we had a client who had taken SBA funds, EIDL funds, put those in a Coinbase account, and from there it went to a decentralized wallet. Didn't see it again. Obviously, IRS wants an explanation and some kind of an accounting, and if they can't make that determination, and there's a lot of dollars involved, you could see a criminal investigation. And none of these are guaranteed, but these are factors that the IRS is looking at. And what these are called are indicias of fraud, right? So if there's transactions that IRS has seen, potentially income, and there's no explanation to record keeping, that's going to obviously raise a lot of curiosity with the IRS. The third item is, and this has been around for a while, is having a foreign bank account where you're not filing the FinCEN 114. And what that FinCEN 114, you're required to file that if you have $10,000 or more aggregate in all of your foreign bank accounts. If you have a foreign bank accounts outside the United States with $10,000 or more for all the accounts and haven't filed the FinCEN 114, and you did not mark on your Schedule B that you have a foreign bank account and that you were required to file the FinCEN 114, this certainly could lead to a criminal investigation referral. Again, none of these are guarantees, but these are indicias of fraud that IRS is looking for. Hope this information was useful. I'm John Milikowsky, founder of Milikowsky Tax Law.